Hey guys, I just wanted to give a report on my transmitters and the receiver restoration. I got the transmitter here, and I got the receiver here, and I cleaned everything out the best I can. And we're going to run a test here to see if they work. I still have to do a little bit more on the outside of this one. Still got the little this scrub that I think to get them off, but I just wanted to clean the inside, spray it all down, which I did, and now we're going to test it. So we'll go ahead and check it out. We'll be the first ones to see if anything blows up. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Now with these tubes, a good way to check them is by turning off the light to check to see if they're all lighted up. So basically what we'll do is turn it on. Ooh, we got something over here. Got some lights. Got some lights. That's the receiver. Must be got a bad light there for the... So what we want to test is the tubes, see if they're lighting up. Got some light there, some light there, some light there. That's a bright light. So I'm going to turn this off and see what we can see. Yeah, see they're glowing. You got glow right there. So far so good. No smoke. It's going to be hard to see. Pretty bright light there to check the tubes. You got light though. That's some good news. And we have no smoke. Better turn on the light just in case. Yeah, no smoke. So far so good. Just would need to get a microphone, put an antenna on it to make a check. See if we get any noise. Volume. That's up all the way. Speaker. Okay, not too sure. I gotta probably need to do some on off scratch. Probably need to do some other checks to make sure mess around with it a little bit. I think I need to put a speaker on this. There's no speaker. I have the external speaker in the house, so. Okay, so we got lights. So far, so good. It's up and running. No smoke. So far, so good. All right, guys, just a quick update on the video, on the radios. All right, see ya.